Yo, y'all, I'm so excited because I'm about to do my first Barber Tool review. And I dressed just for the occasion. Even though I like my birds, you know what I mean? Go Birds, Super Bowl champs. Yo, so my first Barber Tool review is going to be on these bad boys right here. That's right. You see it. You see it. Those Babyliss Pros Tomb45s. Green team, baby. So I'm gonna give my review. I'm gonna give all the specs, and I'm gonna give y'all what I think about this new tool that's been out probably for about a couple months now. I think since February or something like that. So if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification button so you'll know when my next video is about to come out. So y'all stay tuned as I give y'all this rundown on what I think these Babyliss Pros Tomb45s are all about. Let's go, let's get it.
Check this out, y'all. The same legendary Babyliss skeleton that we all know and love, but supercharged by Tomb45. Wireless charging, 80% more battery, and a fuel gauge that actually knows how much juice you got left. Now this bad boy runs up to 2 speeds. One at 6,800 RPMs, and if you press this button right here, it lights up and it runs up to 7,500 RPMs. It gives you maximum speed.
It's gotta go fast.
Now this trimmer also features a deep tooth DLC reverse blade orientation. It's a titanium T-blade fully exposed for 360-degree zero gap. Now with these trimmers right here, you got 3 ways you can charge it. Now you got the USB-C charging part right there. You also got, you know, your normal Babyliss charger right there. But come on now, we talking Tomb45. So you know you can't go without having that Tomb45 charging pad. Now, even though it doesn't come with the trimmer or the clipper, but you know, you can put this on your station, lay it down like you normally would on your station, and be charging these bad boys all day, and it'll never die on you.
What?
You never have to worry about them dying on you.
Please get out of here. Get out of here, man.
So I would suggest you pick up one of these along with that trimmer or clipper if you get it. As far as ergonomics are concerned, it has a rubber grip in the back of it with grooves in it just to fit your fingers, and it also has a groove in the front of it for your thumb. So that means when you lining somebody up with these bad boys, it's gonna feel real natural in your hand. All right, y'all, enough about the specs. Let's get down to how these bad boys perform.
Perfect.
Now, I want you guys to keep in mind as you see me do these lineups that I took these trimmers straight out of the box. I did not zero gap them. I did not adjust them. I'm using them strictly as is, right out of the packaging. Now, I love how these blades were made, how they have the pointed corners where I can just actually use these trimmers as if I'm using a pencil or a pen. It really feels like I'm drawing on a canvas. I mean, I could just imagine if I just zero gap these, how crispy my lineups will come out. Oh my, hey yo, that would be crazy. Now, this is one of my loyal clients. I've been cutting him for at least the last 3 or 4 years. And as I'm using the trimmers on him,
It lets me know that they're not biting or anything like that. They really feel good. You can definitely tell a difference on how it feels when I use these trimmers. And again, the way I can just hit those corners with the blade, I really love that. And as I hold these trimmers, I really feel like I have complete control. Finally, got my package in the mail. But you know what? I'm not gonna reveal what this is until I get to the shop. So I'll see y'all over there. Here you go.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
That's what I said. I like you too.
Let's open and see what this bad boy is. See what we got. Yeah. So, do a review on this bad boy. I get the chance. Put it out there so y'all can check it out. But the set is complete. Let's go. Let's get it.
And now, back to our regularly scheduled program.
And again, as I mentioned earlier, I never have to worry about the charge time. Every time I put these down on that pad, they're charging. So I never have to worry about them dying on me. Perfect. I never have to worry about plugging them in. None of that. I can just keep cutting all day.
Perfect.
This trimmer just ain't about its performance. It also got a fire look to it.
See, I drive the new hotness.
That bold, clean Tomb45 vibe, black Mac all around, plus that signature electric green color to it. Man, from the grip to the branding, this thing is built to look good on your station and while you use it. So y'all, this tool is straight up A1. High performance, high precision. And I'm telling y'all, for any professional barber or anybody taking barbering seriously, you definitely want to cop this tool. Yo, I'm trying to tell you, best trimmer in the game right now. No doubt about it. Now, it could be a little bit pricey, but I'm trying to tell y'all it is well worth the investment. I got mine. You better get yours. Babyliss Tomb45 wireless trimmer. Go get you one. Now, if y'all like this video, hit that like button. If y'all want to see more of my content, hit that subscribe button. And if y'all want to know when my next video is going to pop up, please hit that notification button. This your boy RC. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.